have my trusty drone right here. There we go. I'm gonna do a little bit of reconnaissance. I can actually see Jonathan. Who is that? Drew! Oh, I will get you. Retreat! Get out of here! I just really want to see what he's up to, but I do not want him to see me. I've got the camouflage outfit. I've got the cat-like reflexes. I wouldn't have any concerns with that. Hello? It's me! Let's just say nobody saw this coming. In my sneaky trips over to Jonathan's house, I noticed there is an Elvis statue that looks an awful lot like Jonathan. Hello, Elvis. I'm gonna give him a plaid shirt and call him Jonathan Presley. Thank you. Thank you very much. You may think I don't have time to be doing pranks like this, but sometimes it's worth a little bit of sacrifice just to stick it to your brother. Oh, come on. You're so ridiculous. I have this beautiful, massive island with a breakfast bar, and it has the waterfall feature.
Yeah. Well, you know what? We have our own waterfall feature right here. In fact, I feel like we wouldn't have to water any of the plants at our place for like a year after this.
It's like coming down on the...
Problem solved. Ha ha ha, open the door.
I'm gonna go pay a little visit to Jonathan's house, and I'm gonna slow him down with a visit from the 5-0.
Jonathan, we're getting ticketed.
The vehicle?
Yeah.
Oh, give me a break. What's that? Get out of here. Listen, you are violating city ordinance right now.
Yeah, you're violating my eyes. This is a horrible outfit. What are you
talking
doing? Hold on a second. I've always wondered what you look like.
I've always...
Hey!
Hold on for 1 second there.
Don't you have better things to do than annoy us?
I just thought I'd come over here and slow you down.
Get out of here. You're
show
not
me?
allowed to come by if you're
Want to
just
show
gonna
me
annoy us.
anything?
No, you don't get to
Bye,
see
Bob.
anything.
See you later.
And get this stupid stuff out of here. This is what I've had to deal with my whole life.